Are you ready to take the next step in your nursing career? Are you prepared to pass the exams required for you to become a registered nurse in Australia? Look no further than Australian Certified Trainers' comprehensive NCLEX-RN review and OSCE training programs. At ACT, our NCLEX-RN review is facilitated by highly qualified Australian registered nurses who have extensive experience in both academic and clinical settings. We understand the challenges you face and are here to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Our review lectures and learning platform are 100% online, allowing you the flexibility to study whenever and wherever you choose. With recorded lectures and a user-friendly platform accessible on both desktop and mobile devices, you have the freedom to learn at your own pace and take control of your study schedule. Our comprehensive review program includes self-assessments that closely mimic the difficulty and content distribution of the NCLEX exam. This allows you to gauge your readiness and identify areas for improvement, ensuring you are fully prepared on exam day. And the best part? With ACT, you have unlimited inclusion in our online classes and access to our learning platform for an entire year. We are committed to supporting your success, providing you with the resources you need for as long as you need them. But our offerings don't stop there. For those preparing for the OSCE, our highly qualified Australian registered OSCE trainers are here to help you recall and become more familiar with important clinical processes. Our program includes 3 weekly OSCE preparatory online lecture sessions, featuring intensive discussions on evidence-based scenarios and rationale. These sessions will enhance your critical thinking skills and boost your confidence in approaching OSCE scenarios. And for an immersive learning experience, we offer up to 4 weeks of intensive face-to-face OSCE coaching sessions at ACT MediSpace, our state-of-the-art OSCE simulated lab in Melbourne. With 2 weeks of self-directed practice sessions, you'll have ample opportunity to refine your skills and gain the confidence you need to excel. Additionally, our program provides access to OSCE virtual simulations of medical and surgical scenarios. These simulations allow you to practice and sharpen your clinical reasoning skills in a realistic environment. To ensure you are fully prepared for the real exam, we conduct an OSCE mock test facilitated by our trainers. This valuable experience will help you familiarize yourself with the format and expectations of the actual OSCE. And at ACT, we believe in continuous improvement. That's why we provide personalised feedback on your performance, aligning it with the Australian standards of nursing. This feedback will guide your growth and ensure you are delivering care at the highest level. With ACT's comprehensive NCLEX-RN review and OSCE training programs, you'll have access to recorded lectures, video demos, and other online learning materials 24/7. This means you can practice and refine your skills even while on the go. So, are you ready to take your nursing career to new heights? Enroll with ACT today and let us help you achieve success in your NCLEX-RN and OSCE exams and beyond.